Hello to everybody and welcome back to our channel. The GPS decided we're going to Algeria campsite in the Cederberg. It's about 200 km from Milnerton. You can drive mainly on a tar road, and the last couple of kilometers is a good gravel road through the mountains. Don't let this dry riverbed fool you. It can be quite deceiving and dangerous when the river is full in the rainy season. Algeria is part of the Cape Nature Conservancy in the Cederberg, and it's a well-managed and beautiful campsite in the Cederberg Mountains. The shop has very basic stuff and credit card facilities. Most of the campsites have big shady trees, and it overlooks the Rondegat River that runs through the camp. The campsites are well demarcated with clear signage boards to show you where your campsite is. Most of the campsites are on the river's edge, and the sound of the running water was like music to our ears. Each campsite has a braai, and you can buy firewood from the local shop. There was a tap with drinkable running water and a 3-point electricity plug. There are 2 ablution blocks in the camp. There are flush toilets, and toilet paper is provided. The showers have real hot water. There's a bunkie to sit on, and there's ample place to hang your clothes. Somebody on duty most of the day to clean the ablutions. There are a couple of basins, and with a view like this, I will do dishes all day long. At the back of the ablution blocks, there are things to do your laundry. They encourage you not to leave your rubbish at the campsite because of the baboons, but you don't have to take it with you. There's a place where you can dump it. The Cederberg is very popular with hikers, and you can spend days walking around in the Cederberg. There are short walks around the campsite, but for the serious hiker there are challenging routes as well. Afterwards you can cool off in the river. For your convenience, there's a table and benches at each campsite. Some of the campsites are on grass, and there are play areas for the kids. In the area you can go have a look at the rock formations and the rock art, and there are even a restaurant or 2 close by. We preferred the peace and quiet of the campsite. This is a great campsite with good facilities, and the surrounding nature is just absolutely breathtaking. If you like the video, please hit like and subscribe, and be on the lookout for more campsite reviews. Thank you for watching. Happy camping!